Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Agricos World. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the important questions related to economics, which are asked in most of the competitive exams. As ours is a new channel, subscribe to our channel for more interesting updates. Now, let's get into the video. Here we are with our first question. Father of agricultural economics is Adam Smith. Theory of rent was given by the scientist Ricardo. Reward of land is rent, whereas reward of labor is wages. Economics is a science of wealth. The statement is given by Adam Smith. AGMARK, agricultural marketing, was started in the year 1937 and amended in the year 1986. Central AGMARK laboratory is located at Nagpur and the headquarters of AGMARK is located at Faridabad, Haryana. Fixed taxes include machinery, cess and tools. All the three are included in fixed tax. Commission of Agricultural Cost and Prices (CACP) was established in the year 1965 and in the month of January. FCI, Food Corporation of India, was established in the year 1965. Regional Rural Banks (RRBs) were established in the year 1975 in October 2nd. RRBs funded differently, that is, it is funded 50% by Government of India, 35% by Sponsors Bank and 15% by state government. Which of the following bank is having largest number of branches in India? The answer is State Bank of India. State Bank of India is having over 24,000 branches in India and 35 branches in other countries. Key Village Scheme was started in which 5-year plan? Key Village Scheme was started in the first 5-year plan. Wages theory of profit was given by the scientist Taussig. Percentage of population under poverty in India is nearly 25%. 25% of population in India are under poverty. Law of substitution was proposed by H.H. Gosson. Which mark is given for ensured product of eco-friendly nature? Ecomark. Ecomark is given to that product which does not cause any harm to the environment. Land holding of large farmers is how many hectares? Large farmers hold more than 10 hectares. Crop loans come under which type of loans? Crop loans are short-term loans. Period for long-term loans is how many years? Period of a long-term loans is up to 50 years and it depends upon the capacity of the owner to repay. First mortgage bank was established at Punjab in the year 1920. Theory of profit was given by which of the following scientists? The answer is Walker. First crop loan was given to which of the following crops? The answer is cotton. Father of cooperative movement in India is Nicholson. Agriculture census is carried once in how many years? Agriculture census is carried once in 5 years. Liquidity preference theory was given by the scientist J.M. Keynes. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Agricos World.